Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. Today I'm going to show you the cards that I made using this box kit here. And this box kit is the December 2022 stationery box vintage non-holiday sewing theme box. So if you haven't checked out my unboxing of this box kit, I'm gonna leave the links in the description box below so you can watch that and see what's inside of the box kit. So I use almost everything from this box kit. It's a sewing theme box, and first, before I show you my completed cards, I'm gonna show you the stuff that I use to make the cards. I use some of these dies to create my cards, and the first one here is this fine trimmings die set from Mama Elephant. I just used this what do you call this, stitching die here, the one in the middle. So that's that one. I also used this Momenta scallop square dies. I used the largest one. And then I also used this cut scrappiness fancy scallop stitch border dies, and I used this die here. And then I also used this Gina Marie design stitch rectangles. I use this stamp set here from Studio Katia Spring Bouquet. I used this pretty floral bouquet, and then two of the sentiments. I also use this scrapbook.com handmade essentials sentiments, and I use this this sentiment right here. And then I also use sentiments from this My Monthly Hero Arts May 2019 card kit. So I used You're So Nice, and I guess that's it. I just use one sentiment from this card kit here. Yeah. And then I also use this My Favorite Things Crafty Companions, and I use this You've Got My Heart All Sewn Up. So these are the ones that I use for my to create my cards. And here are my cards that I created using the December 2022 stationery box from Your Created Studio. I'm also participating in Saturday Morning Mix hosted by Jill Norwood. I'm gonna leave her link in the description box below so you can check her out if you don't know what Saturday Morning Mix is. So here are my cards. I made 11 cards. And here are my two first cards. So what I did, I used almost all of the papers. What I did is I splattered some gold paint on all of the papers, and I used this Gansai Tambi starry colors, and I used the red gold color. So I think it looks really nice, and it's so pretty with the gold speckles on the paper. So I made two of this. I did some sewing here on the bottom of this panel, and I used purple colored thread. So I did the same thing on the other one, and then I added my sentiment on top here. You've got my heart all sewn up, and then put or stamp the sewing machine in the middle here, and then I added some embellishments using sequins. Oh, these are the sequins. It's from my friend Helen. Thank you again, Helen, for giving me this sequins, beautiful sequins. So I used this purple mix sequence and also this gold sequence that she gave me. So that's that one. So I made two of this. I made 3 of these cards here, and these ones are Happy Mother's Day because it's gonna be Mother's Day soon. So I thought that I would make Mother's Day cards. I stamped this floral bouquet here on a 90-pound Strathmore watercolor paper, and then I watercolor it with my Daniel Smith watercolors, and then I stamped the Happy Mother's Day and added it on the bottom here. So that's this one, and I also added some shimmer using this Spectrum Noir Sparkle pen. So that's this one here. So with this floral bouquet, I put it on the side, left side of this card, and then this one here I adhere it on the right side, almost on the upper corner of this card. And then I added my Happy Mother's Day sentiment because I don't want to cover this really pretty sewing machine here. I want that to be visible, so I didn't cover it. So that's that one. And then this last one here is I put it on the upper left corner of the card, and then I added my Happy Mother's Day sentiment on the bottom of the flower or bouquet. This next card here, I stamped the sewing machine on white paper or white cardstock, and then I die cut that with the stitch die set, and then I also die cut this border here to match with my pattern paper. I also used this tracing wheel here to add some lines or dots on the edge of the pattern papers. So I did that, and then I added some of this Spectrum Noir Sparkle pen on the sewing machine, and I added my sequins for embellishments. So I added gold sequins on this one, on this card, and then purple sequins on this other card. The next ones are this. These are my favorite that I made using the kit. I really like how I did the design on this one. I looked up on Pinterest, and I saw a similar one that they use doily, and it's like they're sewing the doily on the sewing machine. So I recreate that idea with this sewing machine stamp here. So I added my sentiment here, and it says "You're so nice." Added my sequins, and this is the scallop square, and stamp my my sewing machine. I cut a slit here so my doily can get inside, and it looks like it's on the sewing machine. So I really like how this one's turned out. And I also use my Spectrum Noir Sparkle pen for the sewing machine. So that's this one, and also my tracing wheel on all of the edges of the pattern paper. So I did the same thing on this two right here, and all of the cards that I made has something inside. Like I also finished the insides. So these are the stickers from the kit, and I added them here. I'm gonna show you the other ones. So this one here, I added this sticker, and also this one here. And then for this ones, I stamped the sewing machine again in the inside of the cards. And I think I did the same thing with this. For these cards, I stamped the flower bouquet in the inside to finish the insides. So that's that one. And then this one, I added a sticker from the kit. And then also on this one. And then this is the last card that I made. I die cut a white cardstock with scallop squares, and these are small scallop squares, and then I stamped this bias tape and then threads that came with the kit. I added some distress oxide ink in the background, and then added this stickers here, and then these are also stickers, and this is the stamps, so I added them here. And I also used this Spectrum Noir Sparkle pen to add some shimmer on the stamp that I fussy cut and colored. And then just for you, for the sentiment. And then I also use my tracing wheel on the edges of the pattern paper, and then added my embellishments. So, and then the inside is also have the same images. I have this extra, so I just added here. The kit comes with washi tape, so I added the washi tape on the back under my information. So I have all the washi tape, and you can also use the washi tape when you mail your cards, and it will coordinate with your sewing theme cards. And I hope you like the cards that I created today, and please check out your creative studio. I'm gonna leave the link in my description box below. So here are my cards again. I really like how these cards turned out, and these ones are my favorite. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know which one is your favorite. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.